The next algorithm is line of best fit. So for that, we'll create a file. The file name is linebest.py. Basically, it is a test problem where we'll do a 3-parameter model which fits best in a straight line. The parameters will be the slope, the intercept, and the scatter about the line. The scatter in this case will be treated as a nuisance parameter. Starting with the import libraries, it begins with import matplotlib as plt. Then the next thing which comes into picture is import numpy as np. And after that comes a scenario with the random increments which is needed, that is np.random.seed with a value of 42. And then comes a value which is theta true equals 25, 0.5. And after that comes a value which is x data equals 100 into np.random.random, which calls for the random attribute, into taking a parameter as 20. So basically we are just focusing on these parameters which fits inside a line and which gives you the scatter plot analysis equally. Then after this we have the next scenario to be done as y data equals theta true with a parameter of 0, 0 plus theta true of 1 into x data. X data is a basic parameter to be needed. Now add scatter to the point, so I'll just add a comment, that is adding up scatter to points. So this gives a scenario that is x data equals np.random.normal with the value as x data of 10. And then comes y data equals np.random.normal with the value of y data and the parameter as 10. Then the next thing which comes into scenario is to plot these values inside the graph. So that is done as plt.plot value as x data, comma, y data, comma, the next parameter as OK. And after that we'll set up a value as plt.plot x label, and the next value will be the y label which needs to be plotted, plt.plot y label, and that is done as the x label will be given over here, x label as x, it will be given a value as x, and plt.y label, it will be given a value of y. Then we'll show this particular graph. So let's focus on this analysis. So I'll go to my command prompt, clear this prompt and run the script, that is Python linebest.py. So this will actually run the complete code. If any error is there, it will be generated over here. So it asks for the x data, name x data is not defined. So let's check out like where is the x data analysis done. It is done over here. So we need to calculate this condition over there. We'll take it over here. Now we'll go to the command prompt. Now this is the command prompt, and over here I'll print Python linebest.py. So this gives the scattered analysis as depicted over here. As I mentioned, this is the test problem where we are trying to give a 3-parameter model which fits on a straight line. Like it is somewhere nearer to this line if you observe. So it is like depicting every scattered points inside one line. The parameters will be in the slope, the intercept and the scatter above the line. The scatter in this case will be treated as a nuisance parameter as I have mentioned. So this was about line of best fit with respect to Python.